Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So in today's video, we have a question where we are supposed to find out the area of this square. What we are given? We are given a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle, right? If this is a right angle triangle and they are telling us that we are given a square, this is a square. You can say I can name it A, B, C and D. We are given a square and we are supposed to find out the area of this square. I do not know the measurements of this square, but I know that this height of this triangle is 16. Like this whole side is 16 and this whole side, complete side is 24. But I do not know what is this side, x. I say it x. Okay. If this is x, this will also be equal to x. And we know that since square opposite sides are parallel, so this angle is right angle and here as well this angle is also right angle, right? Now what can I tell about this? Now after this what can I tell? I can see that if this side is x, this remaining side will be 16 minus x, right? In this triangle AB, I can say E and this I can say F. Okay, so AE is equal to what? 16 minus x, right? Okay, and I know this is x, AB is x, BC is also x, all four sides are x, and this CF, if I find out CF, this side, this remaining side will be equal to 24 minus x. Since this whole side is 24, and if I subtract this from this, I will get the remaining part. So in this triangle BCF, this CF is equal to what? 24 minus x, right? Now look at these two triangles. In triangle, we have two triangles here. What are those two triangles? ABE and triangle CFB, right? These two triangles. If you look at them, angles are same, right? These angles are same, right? That means all the angles are same. That means why are these angles same? Since these are two parallel lines and this is transversal, so these are corresponding angles, right? So these angles will also be equal to right? Okay, so now I know that all the angles are same, so these two triangles are what? These two triangles are similar. Okay. If they are similar, we can apply the condition that 16 minus x by x would be equal to what? X by 24 minus x, right? Since these two triangles are similar. Now what do I need to do? I just need to solve it. So I will cross multiply first. So 16 minus x multiplied with 24 minus x is equal to x times x, right? 16 times 24 minus 24x minus 16x plus x square is equal to x square, right? Okay. So I can subtract x square from both sides, right? Okay. So we get 16 times 24, and if I cancel out, right hand side will become 0. But what can I do? I can take these x's on right hand side. It would become minus 24x will become plus 24x and it will become plus 16x, right? Okay. So 16 times 24 is equal to 40 of x, 40 times x, right? Now I divide both sides by 40, right? So this would be equal to, if I find out x is equal to, if you divide by 8, you get 48 by 5 is equal to x, and that means x is equal to 9.6. If x is 9.6, area of square is what? X times x, right? X times x, that means 9.6 times 9.6, and the answer you need to comment in comment section, right? So if you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubt you can ask in comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.